show you this one, and now it's my first day. First now, guys, mommy bought me a unicorn egg, and like this one, you need to pour on the jar, and it will crack into the 2 days. 3 days, it will come a unicorn. Let's try it now, guys. Oh, guys, and I will continue. And this one, I will have to search like that. Ooh, be careful, guys, to not crack the egg. Now, I will put this. Put this in.
And then put some.
All of, and put some water. All of it, mommy.
Mm-mm.
Oh no. I will continue. See you later, guys, and I will continue this for 24 hours. Bye bye, guys. See you later. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you later, guys. Bye.